What is digital literacy? Digital literacy is the ability to use computer, mobile phone, and other electronic media to access and share information. Digital literacy refers to the ability to effectively use digital technologies such as computers, smartphone, and the internet to access, evaluate, and create information. It involves having the skill and knowledge to navigate the digital world safely and responsibly and efficiently. Technical skill. The ability to use digital device, software, and platforms. Information literacy. The ability to find, evaluate, and use online information effectively. Communication skill. The ability to communicate effectively through digital channels. Critical thinking. The ability to critically evaluate online information and identify bias. Supporting digital literacy. Supporting digital literacy involves providing individuals with the skill, knowledge, and resources needed to effectively use digital technologies. Here are some ways to support digital literacy. Educational institution. 1. Integrate digital literacy into curricula. 2. Provide access to digital device and internet. 3. Offer digital literacy training for educators. Benefits of digital literacy. Digital literacy offers numerous benefits that can enhance various aspects of life, from education and career to social communication and civic engagement. Here are some of the most significant advantages. Improve learning outcome. Digital literacy enables students to access a vast array of educational resources leading to better learning outcome. Literacy is the use of digital technology is an increasingly important skill in modern cycling. Developing digital literacy. Increasing one level of digital literacy is an important step in preparing oneself for life in the 21st century. Integrating digital literacy into education. It is absolutely necessary to include digital literacy in the curriculum in order to educate prepare students for life into the modern world.